When I'm getting out of the city, I need to make sure that I can keep all my gear charged up and ready to go. Luckily, I have a powerful solution for that. This is the DJI Power 1000. It's a portable power station with 1,024 watt-hours of capacity. And to give you some idea of what that means, I can charge my phone, my drone, my gimbal, my microphones, my camera, my laptop, and more all simultaneously while still having extra juice left over to plug in a light that I can be filming with. But it's not just the large capacity of the Power 1000 that's awesome, it's the amount of output that it has. It can handle a max output of 2,600 watts and a stable long-term output of 2,200 watts, which means that all those things that I mentioned before can be plugged in all at the same time, including that filming light, and it won't cause any issues. Now, normally to get that much power and to be filming in remote locations like this, you would have to have some kind of big noisy generator. But the Power 1000 makes less noise than an electric fan that you would have in your home or some other similar appliance. So if you're out filming and using the Power 1000, you won't have to worry about background noise at all. And if you're using it to charge, let's say, your laptop and working, it's definitely not going to bother you. The Power 1000 also totally has me covered when it comes to charging ports. We've got two 24-watt USB-A ports, two 140-watt USB-C ports, which are perfect for my power-hungry 16-inch MacBook Pro, or even two of them. We've also got two AC plugs so you can plug in larger devices or extension cables. Then we've got the SDC ports, which with the right cables, you can fast charge certain DJI drones, connect solar panels to charge the Power 1000, or connect it directly to your car so it charges while you're driving. The screen on the front makes it easy to see how much power I'm using, how long I can run it on that amount of power, and how much juice I've got left. When I'm back on the grid and it's time to charge the Power 1000, it only takes 70 minutes for a full charge. And with extensive safeties built into the Power 1000, I feel confident plugging in all my gear, and I know that it will continue to power my adventures for a long time to come. With the Power 1000, all my gear, and nature, this is my kind of adventure.